And we have a hole. It's only a 1 foot by 1 foot fan circle, so it should pull plenty of air. Here's the fan. We're going to build a little box for the mount around it. We're going to cover it with some screen and get it mounted to the inside there, and then we'll trim it out. Alright, there's the solar panel. It's actually 2 panels. It's got hinges, so if you need to put it over like a ridge or make it just sit up on a kind of like a peak. So anyway, it's 15 watts, and then there's, I guess, about a 15-20 foot cable that goes with it. But easy to install, you know, just put a little putty tape underneath. And there's actually some brackets that's about 8 inches that you can lift up one side if you need to make a different angle, but I figured I'd just keep it close to the roof for the wind. So anyway, let's go see if this thing works. Alright, let's see if we can, this up here, it should be wired right. Hopefully I got the fan turned the right direction. And let's see, trying to do this with one hand here. Here we go, let's see. Uh-oh, there we go. There it is. That should help. Now, I'll leave the description down below if anybody wants one of these. I mean, I don't remember how much I paid. It's a little bit over $100. But this is, I mean, if you don't have any power and you need it, the solar panels, just plug and play. You don't have to wire anything. And it's pretty simple. It's about 5 inches thick. It's 1 foot wide around. And I can feel the air coming away from my window being pulled in a little bit. So anyway, I'll leave the description, leave in the description the link, and any questions, comments, leave below. Thanks guys.